In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a slow motion effect in After Effects. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your video clip on the timeline that you want to apply the slow motion effect to. Once you have your clip selected, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the time option and then click on Time Stretch. This will bring up a menu where you can adjust the stretch factor. The stretch factor determines how much you slow down the video. You can input any percentage you like, or you can specify the duration you want the video to be in the box below. For this tutorial, I'll set the stretch factor to 200. This will slow down the video to half its original speed. Once you've entered the desired value, click on OK. Now, if you play back your video, you'll notice that it's significantly slower than before. However, the slow motion might look a bit choppy, so we need to make it smoother. There are two ways to do this. First, you can enable frame blending. To do this, click on the small box next to your clip in the timeline, which looks like a dotted rectangle. This enables standard frame blending, which helps to smooth out the motion by blending frames together. Play the video to see the effect. The second option is to use Pixel Motion Frame Blending. To enable this, click on the Frame Blending box again. This will switch from standard frame blending to Pixel Motion Frame Blending. Pixel Motion analyzes the movement in your video and creates new frames to make the slow motion effect even smoother. Go ahead and play the video again to see the difference. In my opinion, Pixel Motion Frame Blending gives a smoother result, but which one you choose depends on your personal preference and the specific look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth, slow motion effect in After Effects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.